Hello and welcome back. My name is Cristina, and for today I'm going to present a drink for the depression, and I'm targeting the nervous system. This is a green smoothie and it's able to lift up your spirits every morning due to the amount of vitamin B found in this juice. To be consumed in the morning for at least 15 consecutive days. Properties of this juice are antidepressant, tonic, neuroprotective, alkalizing. Ingredients: 30 grams of spinach. I would recommend organic spinach. 2 bananas, 118 grams each, 245 milliliters of soya milk, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, about 15 milliliters each. You also are going to need a blender. Preparation: place the spinach, half of the milk, and the bananas in the blender until you achieve a consistency. When the consistency has been achieved, then you're going to add the rest of the milk and the lemon juice. This is a gluten-free drink and is suitable for diabetes. Regarding the food allergy, please be aware of the soy milk.